Hey everyone, this is Juna with Detour Shirts, the channel all about helping you design and sell t-shirts online. In this video, we're going to look at all the print-on-demand products you can put your design on and sell at RedBubble. Let's go. So we're here on RedBubble. You can see just RedBubble. This is kind of their homepage. It's like an explore page for you. So I'm signed in. Here's Detour Shirts. And these are the things that RedBubble likes to show me. Yours may look a little different, but these tabs should be the same. If you're signed in, you can go in here and look at the products by adding new work. So that's what I'm going to do, add new work. Click on it, and you just upload your new work here. So I've already done that. Make sure it gives you a recommended resolution here. Check out the design guide, but we're going to go over the products. One of the things that I like about RedBubble is they're always adding new products and new things. So it's really cool to come back and see what they've added. So I uploaded this. This is just a design, like a t-shirt design. I'm not going to go over the title and tags, not in this video, but we're just going to look at all the products that they have, and they have a lot of products, so it's really good. Not like Merch by Amazon where they're just starting out. RedBubble's been in the business for a while, and so they added a bunch of new products. So of course they start off with the standard print t-shirts. So if we click on here, you can see you can easily mark up your things. By default they're 20%. And you can pick your colors and stuff if you want it. Unlike Merch by Amazon, you can just choose the base color, and then it will be for sale for all these colors. So, and then you can see here, I kind of skipped over it, but you can see all the different types of t-shirts. So they have hoodies, clothes. So this is like a sub part of standard print clothing. You can see there's 12 of them. So these are all the 12. I've only enabled 9 of them. I don't know why I don't do kids clothes. You should click all of these. I guess by default I didn't have them on. So, and then they have a markup. You can mark up some more than others. If you want to mark up your hoodies more than your t-shirts, you can do that, and so on. So that's that. Then they have what's called the large print clothing. So it's just bigger size on your t-shirt, bigger area, so you can adjust that. So you can see I can make this cool grandpa design a little bigger on the t-shirt than when I did on the other t-shirt. So, and these come in different colors. They're premium colors, so you can do designs that are in white on black. So, and you can print on the back of the shirt as well as the front. So you can see here, and here too they have the 3 different types. So what's nice about it is RedBubble will let you know how many different sub groups are in this group of things. So they have premium scoop and long shirt. So there's that. I want it on white. So this one's kind of interesting, the sleeveless tops. So what these are all over prints. So we're going to see a bunch of these on here. The next 4 are all over prints. So that means you can see the design. It goes all the way to the edge. And then there's just one of these. You can enable or disable these. I usually don't put these on. These are better for like large pictures. They don't really work for like the Merch by Amazon idea. And I've opened up a tab here so you can see what kind of things I'm talking about. So here are the all over print kind of t-shirt design. So you can see they're mostly patterns, a lot of patterns, a lot of big faces. I wouldn't just take a face off the internet and put it on here. I guess some people do, but so you can see most of them are patterns, and they have the black sleeves. So you want a design that works well with black. So I'm just going to scroll here so you can see a lot of modern patterns, cars. So I don't sell these, but people do, and it's for sale. If you have like this is really cool, like a comic book kind of look to it. I think those do really well. I like these galaxy looking things. So that's what those are. These next 4 are all over print designs, as well as this A-line dress is a all over print. So you can see how it goes out there. And again, I just disabled those. So the next thing they have for sale are stickers. So we can go here and look at the different types of stickers. They have transparent sticker. I'll scroll it up here. Transparent sticker, sticker, and glossy sticker. And you can mark those. I've marked them up quite a bit. I probably should do the transparent sticker too, 52%. I just did the regular sticker high and then the other ones low, but you can do what you want. And you can see it kind of makes a white outline around your design. So this, I didn't put a white background behind here. And if you want to do stickers, you probably want to do that so that it doesn't like cut out there. So just a warning on that. This is phone cases. Merch by Amazon has phone cases now. You can see here that they also have iPhone cases and Galaxy cases at RedBubble. So there's that. Phone wallets. So, I mean, I wonder if you can see the inside. These are just phone wallets for iPhone. So you put your iPhone in there and you can kind of close it up. So you can have a print all over that. So that's kind of cool. Pillows and totes. So what the totes are a print tote bag. Doesn't really show it here. It did, but yeah. So these are some good markups. Like if you can have the big pillow sell at 20% from the 53, you can make some pretty good sales on that. And then they have floor pillows here, which are higher priced and a little bigger. So there's that for pillows. Let's move on here. Prints, cards, and posters. Now this is really cool. T-shirt designs kind of work well on that. You probably want a lot more art looking things. But you can see here, some of these canvas prints go for $110, $131. Those are the big prints, metal prints. So if you can get a sales on those, your markup or your profit on that would be really high. So just pretty cool on that. Pouches, laptop skins and sleeves. So this is for your iPads and your things, so laptops. So you can just put that on your laptop, like a cover. This is really neat. Duvets, comforters, and shower curtains. Right now it's just showing the shower curtain, but a duvet is like those things that you put on your bed for your comforters, as well as comforters. So the duvet is without the actual inside of it. It's just the material, and the comfort is the whole thing. And you can see here, those sell for a lot too. So if you can get a sale on a comforter, guys, that's cool. I mean, this probably wouldn't work on a comforter. Again, you would probably want patterns, some kind of nice patterns to match in your bedroom, that kind of thing. So think of that when you're selling on Redbubble. Mugs are cool. Everybody probably has a mug to drink some kind of hot beverage. Travel mugs. This is kind of neat for like your coffee or whatever you're drinking in the car. This kind of fits in the cup holder. So here we got leggings. You can see I'll turn this on and off. This would work really well with patterns. Again, I'll show you another one where I'm going to upload a pattern so you can see what it looks like. But leggings, kind of a good markup there as well for profit. Mini skirts, same idea with leggings. It's an all over print. Scarves as well, good for patterns. So a lot of things here would be good for patterns. If you got a good pattern, you can put it on a lot of things here on Redbubble. Tablet and cases, these are for tablets. The other ones were for laptops. Drawstring bags, good for working out. Spiral notebooks, just the cover. You don't have to put the inside. A hardcover journal, so just lined paper here, all over print. So those sell really, could sell really well. Clocks, so that's neat. Art board prints. I'm kind of going fast here. I'm going to show you some of the, just wanted to do a really quick video and show you all the product, but they have so many products. Acrylic blocks and coasters. These are kind of neat. We got those two ideas there. Throw blankets and tapestries, like just so many things. Bath mats, water bottles. We're starting to get into some of the new stuff they're adding. Wood and canvas mounted prints. I believe these are high price items too. Well, not as high as the other ones, so $39. We got the tote bags here. Socks, guys. You can print on socks. pin buttons. These are some of the newer stuff. Mask here, which would do well in a pattern. And you got mask and then small mask, I guess, for kids. This I think is really cool. Look what they did here. Like you can put a pattern on here, and for a backpack, isn't that crazy? Backpacks, guys, $50. Custom duffel bags. Now this is cool. So you got the whole wraparound and then the sides there. I believe it's just one, so it's kind of a higher priced item. And these coming soon. Aprons, and then puzzles. Like you can make your own puzzle for Christmas. I don't know how many of you guys do that during the holidays and kind of put together a puzzle, but you can do one. Just about $25 for a puzzle if you got a nice picture that you took, on your vacation and maybe want to make a puzzle out of it. Right there. All right, let me show you all of these again, but with a pattern. So I uploaded this pattern again at a big size, and you can see now for the all over print that works a lot better with the patterns, right? With the stickers and the phone cases, a lot better with the patterns and the pillows. It works well on here as a shower curtain, travel mugs. You can see the scarves work a lot better, the mini skirts, if I enable those. You can see it. The reason why it's grayed out is because I have them disabled. So you can enable and disable them to look at it. So let me just enable all of these here so you can see what it looks like without the... So socks, doesn't that look cool now with the all over pattern? Masks, backpacks, look at that. How cool is that? And the duffel bag. Like that really works well with this pattern. So one of the things I wanted to show you here is if you don't know what size to upload, it will tell you right here. Replace image. This is the size you need for the duffel bags. 4050 by 7800 pixels. So right there, it's really nice. If you notice, like I didn't make a big enough size here for the jigsaw puzzle. That's because this print size is 9075 by 6201. So I didn't do the right size. I think I only did it by 75 by 75 for this one. So it's a little short on the width. So you can just go back in Affinity Designer or whatever you use, Photoshop, and just make sure that it's at that right size when you do it. So and if you have something that's really big, like make something the biggest size, and then you can always just scale down if it's a pattern. So I can't scale up anymore because that's as big as I got, but you can always scale down. So yeah, that's it for the patterns on here for RedBubble. Let me know in the comments what you would like to see in, like, for Merch by Amazon. Which one of these products should Merch by Amazon do? I mean, RedBubble has led the way, it looks like, for a lot of these cool different products that might sell well on Merch by Amazon too. So hope this video was helpful for you guys. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe this video if you like these kind of videos, and if you want to see more of these videos, click on that notification bell and you'll get notified on when I'm gonna add more videos. So oh yeah, and leave in the comments what other kinds of videos you would like to see in the future. I'm trying to create just as many videos as I can to help you guys out on this journey you have. If you're selling online t-shirts and making money selling online t-shirts, I want to really help. And I also want to do videos for those that like to design. So you're going to see a bunch of different things that way. Well, that's it for this video. Again, don't forget to like and subscribe, smash that like button, and until next time, keep creating and keep learning.